YaYa and Zouk see the world in a special way. YaYa and Zouk, where everything is fun and play. YaYa and Zouk, YaYa and Zouk, YaYa and Zouk. It's happiness for me and you.
Good night, Zouk. Good night, YaYa. Zouk, you're snoring, and I can't fall asleep. It's not me. It's not you? No. You hear that? Someone is snoring in my bed. Wait for me. I think it's coming from around here. You're right. And look, it's Corinne. Yes, she must be snoring. Come on, let's go see. Hang on, let's see if I'm right. No, she's not snoring. I still hear it. Oh, look over there. I think it's Aziz. Oh, yes, I see him. He must be the one who's snoring. Come on. Let's see if I'm right this time. No, it isn't him. Listen, it's even louder over there. Come on. Oh, look, it's Maurice and Julius. Do you think they're snoring? Well, yes, it must be. I'll listen to Julius. You listen to Maurice, okay? Okay. No, it isn't him. Listen. It sounds like it's coming from over there. Come on. It's getting louder and louder. It's Judith. Oh, let's see if she's snoring. No, it's not Judith. It's coming from there. It's Lulu. Listen. No, it's not him either. Listen, it's coming from the cave. Let's go see. Raymond! It's gotta be him. I guess it is not Raymond. Then who is snoring? It's the princess! Princess! It's me, Zouk! Princess? We can't fall asleep because you're snoring too loudly. She can't hear. Oh, hang on. I have an idea. I'll wake her up with these. Here we go! It's not working. Here, this'll work. She's still snoring. I know. Oh, I have another idea. Princess! Yoo-hoo! Princess! Aw, she won't wake up. I know. Give her the kind of kiss Prince Charming would give her. That will wake her up for sure. No, I don't want to. Oh, okay. Then I'll do it. Mwah. That's strange. It didn't work. Zouk, it's up to you. You have to give her a kiss. Oh, all right. Well, it doesn't matter. We'll never sleep again, that's all. I know! You'll see, Princess. I know where you can snore as loudly as you want and you won't wake anybody up. There, now we'll be able to sleep. Good night, Zouk. Good night, YaYa.